And today I just want us to review something here. Does InShot app allow you to make commercial videos? Or in short, if you use the InShot app to make videos that you upload on YouTube, does their terms of use really allow you to make the commercial videos that can monetize and do other things? So just follow me step by step, and I will just guide you, and we go through their terms of service, so that by the end of the day we will see if they will allow us to use their app for commercial purposes. Okay, let's get to their terms of use. So friends, these are the terms of use of InShot. So as it is written here, these terms and conditions outline the rules and regulations of the use of InShot. So by accessing to the service, we assume you accept these terms and conditions in full. You may not use InShot if you do not accept all the terms and conditions. So let me take you step by steps of their terms. Good. Let's start here. They say, in order to use the service or access the content, you are agreeing to the following terms and conditions. NB. InShot does not claim any ownership rights in the texts, comma, files, comma, images, comma, photos, comma, videos, comma, sounds, comma, musical works, comma, work of authorship or any other material, into bracket collectively content that you created. Underline that you created. You are solely responsible for all the content that you created using the service. It is your responsibility to make sure your use of the service is legal where you use them, and you retain the right to the content that you created. So in short, if you create any video, like the video I'm creating now using InShot app, if I upload it somewhere, because it's already in YouTube, as you can see it, they cannot claim anything. They cannot say that this content is theirs, or I've used their app to make the content, so I violated any of their rules. No. So it is to mean you can use this app to make anything you want, for commercial, for private use, as long as you have your own content. Does that sound nice? So if you have any video you want to shoot in InShot, go on. Now let's go to the second one, which is very tricky. Please follow closely. The copyrights and the trademarks. Let's read together. The service provides users with the ability to create content owned by ourselves. That's the best part. InShot will not have any ownership rights in the works you created. Woo! You represent and warrant that you own the content created by you. However, underline there, however, the service and its original content, in bracket, InShot content is protected by the copyrights, trademark, patent, trade secrets, and other laws. InShot owns and retains all rights in the InShot content and in the InShot services. This is to mean, let's say you are creating a video, then you decide to use a music that is inbuilt in the InShot content. You see in bracket there somewhere they have written InShot content. That is where you'll find they have their free music, free beats, free videos. So let's say if you decide to use their free music, that free music is protected by the copyright and the trademark. So if you use that free music in your video, then by the end of the day you'll get a copyright claim, and that means your video will not be your own original. But not better, you can use InShot to make your own original content if you will not use their contents that the inbuilt in the app itself. Do you get me? Yes. Like music library of the InShot, they are free music. If you put that music in your videos, then that music will be noted or will be noted by the copyright people, and they will know that you have used someone's content. But if you just use the app and not the content that they have put there, then you are very safe. I hope now you get it. Yes, it's all that simple. So, my friend, roll your sleeves and start working. You have the free app here called InShot. Use it to make money. And finally, they say thank you for reading our terms. Hope you enjoy editing in with InShot. I assure you, you will enjoy. And if you have any question concerning the services or the terms, please contact them via that email. That is inshot.ios@inshot.com. Or that simple. Guys, roll your sleeve, edit your videos via InShot. It's simple and smart. You just enjoy. Thank you for watching. I hope now you know and you have the point. We are done with the review. Now get to work. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe below and remember to give a thumb up if you have learned something from the video. Thank you.